Unboxing the phrase, party punch, an English language adventure. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fun and flavorful part of English, idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, party punch. So, get ready to add a punch of knowledge to your English skills. Before we delve into the idiomatic side, let's understand the literal meanings of the words party and punch. A party is a social gathering, often involving music, food, and entertainment. Punch, in this context, refers to a mixed drink, typically made with fruit juice and sometimes containing alcohol. When combined, party punch is a popular beverage served at parties, known for its fruity and often sweet taste. In English, phrases often take on meanings that are different from their literal definitions. However, in the case of party punch, the phrase is usually used in its literal sense. It doesn't have a widely recognized idiomatic meaning. This is an important aspect to remember, as not all phrases you encounter will have a hidden or deeper meaning. Understanding party punch also involves a bit of cultural context. This drink is often associated with celebrations, gatherings, and a sense of community. It's a symbol of hospitality and sharing. When you hear about party punch, it might evoke images of fun gatherings, holidays, or family events. Let's see how party punch can be used in sentences. 1. Could you please pass the party punch? It looks delicious. 2. Every Christmas, my grandmother makes her famous party punch with secret ingredients. 3. At the office party, the party punch was a huge hit among the guests. These examples show how party punch is typically used in everyday English, highlighting its role in social settings. And that's a wrap on our journey with the phrase, party punch. Remember, while English is full of idiomatic expressions, not every phrase has a hidden meaning. Sometimes, like with party punch, the joy is in the simplicity and the cultural richness it brings to the language. I hope this video has been enlightening and fun. Keep exploring and enjoying the wonderful world of English.